question we are solving now belongs to test AS10. It is of digital electronics subject. In specific, it belongs to adders. As per the question, it is given that there is a 1-bit full adder. It takes 20 nanoseconds to generate a carry output, and it takes 40 nanoseconds to generate a sum bit. We need to find the maximum rate of additions possible per second when 4 1-bit full adders are connected in cascade. That is, when 4 1-bit full adders are connected in cascade, we need to find the maximum rate of additions possible per second. So from this data, we see that as 4 1-bit adders are connected in cascades, the 1-bit adders can be shown as shown in the figure. They have the inputs of A0, B0, A1, P1, A2, B2, and A3, B3. The adder 1 takes a carry of C0 and produces a sum of S0, and it produces a carry of C1 to get a sum of S1 and carry of C2. It produces a sum bit of S2 and produces a carry of C3 and the final adder produces a sum of S4 and a final carry of C4. So these are adders 0, 1, 2 and 3. And it's already given that for producing the carry bit, the time delay is 20 nanosecond, and for producing the sum bit, the time delay is 40 nanosecond. From this we can say that the time delay for getting S0 is equal to 40 nanosecond, and the time delay to get S1 is equal to the time delay for C1 plus the time delay for S1, which is 60 nanosecond. And similarly for TS2 can be written as 80 nanosecond, and this is TS3. TS3 can be written as 100 nanosecond, and TC4 can be written as 80 nanosecond. Of all these values, the maximum time delay occurs for S3, and this is equal to 100 nanosecond. So from this we can say that maximum time delay occurs for S3, and this is the constraining factor for maximum rate. So the maximum rate of additions per second is 1 by TS3, that is equal to 1 by 100 nanoseconds. So upon simplifying this, we get the maximum rate as 10 power 7 H. Hence the correct option which corresponds to the maximum rate of additions per second possible using the 4 1-bit fully adders in cascade is B. Hence the correct option is B.